What if everybody's view could look like this?
Welcome to 45th floor. This home is 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom located in the heart of Surrey. It is perfect home for first-time home buyers and families who want to grow and settle in.
This is a northwest corner with stunning views of the West Coast Mountains, one of the most sought-after floor plans. This is a home you don't want to miss out on. Most people buy a condo for the space. This one is about the perspective. Flooded with natural light and framed by floor-to-ceiling windows, the layout is both modern and intentional, blending luxury with everyday livability. Clean lines, modern finishes make this home feel elevated yet effortless. Every square footage has been thoughtfully designed to maximize comfort, functionality, and views. The spacious den is large enough to function as a true third bedroom, something most condos simply don't offer. This isn't just a place to live, it's a lifestyle upgrade. This was built by award-winning developer Concord Pacific. Welcome to Park Avenue. You have high-end resort-style amenities right at your doorstep, including an outdoor pool, gym, a playgrounds area for children, plus a beautiful lounge for you to host parties in.
This is located in Surrey's most dynamic and fast-growing communities. You have transit just across the corner. You have SFU, KPU, malls, grocery stores, anything that you need, you have it here.
Feel free to contact either one of us. My name is Denise Mai.
And this is Malika Vajera.
Happy to set up a private viewing with you.